Hi friends, welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. Today's recipe is again one of the very famous Indian street food. It's called Pav Bhaji. Pav Bhaji is pav is basically a bread roll, and bhaji is vegetable curry, which is very spicy and very flavorful. For making this, we need peeled, washed potatoes, three of them, capsicum, couple of carrots, some peas, and some other frozen vegetables. You can use any of your choice, and we'll add some water followed by some salt and some turmeric powder and some red chili powder, and mix them all, and then we'll pressure cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes our vegetables are boiled and are very tender. We'll start mashing them in a pressure cooker itself, as you can see. And in a pan we'll take 2 tablespoons of oil, vegetable oil. I'll add some crushed ginger, garlic and green chilies to it. Saute them, and after we will add some finely chopped onions, and we will saute all these until the onions are golden brown in color like this. And we will add now dry spices to it. I've added some paprika and some Pav Bhaji masala, which I'm going to add now, which you can easily get from Indian supermarket, but I can also help if you want. And I'll add some water, and we will cook these masalas with our onion paste until it's cooked. And now we will add our tomato puree, and then we will cook this material again for another 5-10 minutes and cover the lid, leave it on a sim flame. And after 5-10 minutes you can see the oil is separating, and now I've started adding my boiled mashed vegetables, followed by some more water into it. And now we have to cook this for another 15-20 minutes. We will mash it again, and we will leave it on low flame for another 15-20 minutes until the oil separates. And in another pan I'll take 2 teaspoons of butter, add some paprika, some more Pav Bhaji masala, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. And we will add some water to cook these spices as well. And you can see the oil is separating now. And we will pour this material to our cooked Pav Bhaji in another pan. It will give extra flavor and very good aroma to the Pav Bhaji. And now the last step is we'll take some butter into another pan, and this is our serving time. So we will add a cooked Pav Bhaji and just cook it in a butter. So adding butter is up to you how much you want to add. So use non-stick pan, which will use a little bit of it. And now we'll pour this Pav Bhaji in our serving plate, as you can see. And in the same pan we will take a couple of bread rolls or buns, and we will just heat them up or warm them up from both the sides by adding some butter. That Pav Bhaji, which was already stuck to the pan, gives extra flavor to these buns as well, and it tastes really flavorful. So our Pav Bhaji is almost ready. Garnish with butter and coriander. Serve hot with some onion salad, and you can use lemon to just give this tanginess, to squeeze lemon on Pav Bhaji, but I'm using some tamarind chutney. Enjoy this flavorful recipe at home, and it is really tasty. Kids love it. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time.